Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on IBKR. First, log into your interactive broker's account. Next, locate the Trade menu and select Bond to access the bond trading interface. This initial step is crucial for setting up your bond investment journey. We will then explore the various search filters available to help you find the perfect bond. Once in the bond trading interface, you'll see a powerful set of filters. You can filter by maturity date, coupon rate, and credit rating to narrow down your options. Consider if you prefer corporate bonds for potentially higher yields or government bonds for greater stability. Using these tools effectively will help you pinpoint bonds that align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. After finding a bond you like, click on it to view detailed information such as its yield to maturity and current price. Decide on the quantity you wish to purchase and select your order type, typically a limit order. Always double-check all the order details carefully before clicking Submit. This ensures your investment aligns perfectly with your expectations. Congratulations! After submitting, you'll receive an instant confirmation of your bond purchase. You can then monitor its performance and track your investment within your portfolio section. Remember to regularly review your holdings to ensure they still meet your financial goals. For more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.